Jamaica. Yo. So the Prime Minister of Jamaica not only caused the surge in the COVID-19 cases in St. Catherine, but is also a part of the e-governance imprisonment agenda of the general public. Before he became Prime Minister, his duties were already explained to him, and he's following his masters of the PSOJ, who are a branch of the global hierarchy of the 13 bloodlines. Anjuwalne started the curfew 7 days, then extended it over the pagan Easter holiday, taking in thought how the people would be rushing and gathering and bundling and being vocal trying to get food and personal supplies, risking the spread of the virus instead of telling them to keep their distances, wear face masks, and keep their hands sanitized. The prison approach was pushed by the PSOJ, locking you down while implementing more laws to limit your freedom, while they freely move about. He spoke of his mother living in Spanish Town. Are you all tracking his mother or his sisters and their whereabouts? When you look at the lines and the bundling of people for the shopping days compared to when there was no curfew, shows that their plan is working. Don't tell me that a supposed man of intelligence would not take into consideration the crowds that would gather to get some food or supplies. Instead of again telling the people them to practice safe distancing, keep themselves clean and wear face masks, him extend the lockdown and giving 3 days to shop. What will change? It's all an experiment, and St. Catherine is the chosen lab rats. These days, stupidity prevails over intellect. Don't it? We hear about Alorica, but they are not the main source. Your government is contributing to the spreading of the virus during the lockdown than outside of it. And the BPO organizations are privately owned by the Illuminati, private sector, who control the government. So sacrificing one of them doesn't hurt. And while Trump blocked testing kits for Jamaicans, Cuba offer a cure, which the Prime Minister laughed at, because it's not about keeping you alive, but guiding you to your death and the rest to slavery. This is all just reverse psychology.